Hello and welcome to Common Entrance Maths Lesson 8. Today we'll be learning how to add mixed numbers in a very simple and easy way. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your loved ones. Also turn on your notifications so that you can get more of these videos whenever they are posted. So let's start by letting us know what a mixed number is. What is a mixed number? A mixed number is a number that contains whole numbers and fractions. Whole number and fraction. Those are mixed numbers, just like 2 whole number 1 over 3, 4 whole number 1 over 2, 5 whole number 3 over 4. These are examples of mixed numbers. So we'll be looking at our first example. 2 and 1/3 plus 1 and 1/3, or 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus 1 whole number 1 over 3. So here we first add the whole numbers 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. And then we add the fractions. Here they have the same denominator. They have a common denominator. So we just add the numerators 1 plus 1, which gives us 2 over 3, the denominator. So our answer is 3 and 2/3, or 3 whole number 2 over 3. So our second example for today is 2 and 1/3 plus 6 and 2/5, or 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus 6 whole number 2 over 5. So here we can see that they have different denominators. So the first thing to do is to find a common denominator for 1/3 and 2/5. So we find a common denominator by using the least common multiple. Look for the least common multiple between 3 and 5. And the least common multiple, that's the LCM, is 15. In our previous studies, I treated the LCM, so you can check our previous studies for that. So the LCM here is 15. So 1 over 3 becomes 5 over 2 and 15. Then 2 over 5 becomes 6 over 15. So we add the fractions. 5 over 15 plus 6 over 15, and then we got 11 over 15. So let's add the whole number and add it to the fraction we just worked out. So the whole number 2 plus 6 gives us 8. So altogether with the fraction, the answer is 8 whole number 11 over 15. That's our answer. So for our challenge question for today, we have 3.5 plus 2 and 1/4, or 3 whole number 1 over 2 plus 2 whole number 1 over 4. You can pause the video and do this yourself. So first of all, we add the whole numbers. 3 plus 2, it gives us 5. Then we give them a common denominator. So 1 over 2 becomes 2 over 4. Multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 2 makes 1 over 2 equal to 2 over 4. Then 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4, they now have a common denominator. You just add the numerators. 2 plus 1 over 4, the denominator. So adding that with the whole number, you get 5 whole number 3 over 4. And that's our answer. Hope you got that correctly. So if you got that correctly, congratulations. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your loved ones. We meet in the next class. Bye-bye.